Okay, so we are pinged, we're live on recording, and yeah, we're also live. Let's see. All right, we're still live here. Super excited. Oh my goodness. I just deleted the message. All right, it's gonna be a wonderful session. I just want to pin it. I need everyone, as many as we can. Let's get into. All right, let's get into the live Zoom channel. We're presently live for those of you on Instagram, for those of you on YouTube. We're presently live here on Zoom. So if you can actually get the link to join us on Zoom, super excited to have you guys. All right, but meanwhile, let's try to raise the energy up. I'm super excited. I'm grateful, and it's my first session in my first. This is actually the first day, of my new year. Yesterday was my birthday, and I was super excited about all of the appreciation, all the love. I'm super grateful. I'm a newborn baby today, actually, but I want to thank each and every one of you that actually made it possible for me to have a great day. Your wishes, your prayers, your love, the kindness, it just made me feel like I'm a person. Okay, and I want to say thank you to each and every one of you. God loves me, and you showed me that He really does. And the same thing that you have done, the kind heart to see some love, to see some prayers, some likes, some appreciation, some comments, some emojis, everything counted. And it made me feel good. It made me feel I've been living, and thank you very much. Thank you. And whatsoever you desire for me, you've prayed for me, you've wished me, there's going to be a double blessing, apportioned, released onto each and every family. I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about your family. You're going to receive, abundant blessing of that which you have sent out, that I pray in Jesus' name. Amen. Welcome to this Tuesday live session. And I want to feel the energy in the chat right now. I want to feel the energy. Okay, wherever you're joining this call from, whoever you are, whoever invited you, I want to know, put your name, put your location. Let's represent the cities, and it's another level. Put your name, your location. If I want to see some flags, let me see some flags. We're going to be spending the next couple of, maybe an hour, 30 minutes together. Let's get the energy on set. Okay, I'm calling live, training live from Lagos, Nigeria. All right, put your name, put your location. And if you happen to be a guest on this call, you're super welcome. I want you to put, while you put your name, your location, or your flag, all right, put where you're joining us. If you're a guest, it means this is your first time you're invited on this call. Okay, please put it on the chat. All right, I've got UK, Manchester. Okay, I've got that flag. If I only say put flag, I don't know the country. I don't know the country, the name of some flags. Okay, so help me with the name. Okay, Mr. Chris Oko, that your flag? I don't know. Okay, Lagos, Nigeria, Taraba State, Moscow, Russia, Trinidad and Tobago. Come on, let's go. The more I see people represented in different states, the more I see the nations I'm traveling to very soon. Okay, so I know if people are represented in Trinidad and Tobago, I know there's a family that I'm gonna go there very soon. All right, Lagos, Nigeria, I'm already here. Okay, so let's go. Put it on the chat. Put it on the chat. Rep your city. Put it on the chat. I want to feel the energy. Come on, let's go. And I know we're also getting this now. This is a live call, it's an open call. It's been amazing. I think this is our 8th or 9th session on this call, and it's been amazing. I'm going to give us the history of this call, and I'm going to give you guys the vision of this call. What are we looking at doing, establishing, when it comes to training live, all right, on market analysis. So Lagos, Nigeria, USA in the building. Come on, let's go. Drop it on the chat. USA in the building. Come on, let's go. The energy is kind of, I need you guys to raise it. I move. It's like you're trying to on my generators. It's a little bit slow right now. Okay, you guys put the fire. Energy is everything. All right, energy is everything. Dubai here. Come on, let's go. Dubai here. Come on, let's go. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, your moment. I need to feel the heat. All right. Come on, let's go. Benin City, come on, let's go. All right. Ghana, come on, let's go. Ghana, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Now it's coming. Now it's coming. Come on, let's go. I'm feeling it a bit. Come on, let's go. Drop it. Drop it. Enugu in the building. Come on, let's go. Drop it. And why is this important? Okay. I'm going to be sharing a couple. What I have to share with you guys is going to touch. It's going to touch hard. If you're ever a trader in this environment, if you're just getting to start your journey in trading, you know, at the end of the day, you don't know what you don't know. Okay. And what is it you know is what you have. But the truth is, a lot of people don't even know what they know. Okay. So super excited. And everyone who's here today, did I get any guests on the call? I didn't get any guests on the call. I'm just going to go straight. All right. If you're a guest, put I'm a guest. I'm new. Put I'm new. Put I'm new on the chat. If you happen to be a guest, put I'm new on the chat. All right. Put I'm new. I'm new. Okay, so I got a guest on the call. So all of you that are guests on this call, if you want to be watching, if you're watching this video now or you're watching, whenever you're watching this video, my name is Ken Brimo, and I am a Forex trader, and that is my vehicle as a life and a world coach. I'm a world coach. I help people in the direction of making money in the digital technology in anything that has to do with how to make money. All right. So I found a vehicle in the financial market in 2018. And it's been beautiful because over the years of being an entrepreneur or coming into the space of sales, money making, all right, since 2007, it's been the most appreciating environment, all right, legally, globally, and more efficiently in my career. And I've gone ahead to learn the powerful skill of trading. And I've got a journey to share with you if you happen to be a guest here. And that journey is the journey of not knowing anything to knowing one of the most powerful skill in the world. And I've gone ahead to help people, all right, really learn this skill, you know, make a lot of money. But a lot of people are still losing. So I made a decision to get closer to people to help them not to lose what they don't even have. Okay. And I've been able to create multiple 4 figures, 5 figures, 6 figures, you know, 7 figures in this industry. Those I know, those I don't know. But one of the things we're doing with our environment, which is Payout Nation right now, we're creating a documented success list when it comes to trading by helping people with 2 most vulnerable problems, all right, in the environment, which is the lack of equity, which is a major problem. A lot of people come into this environment because they see it as a way of being successful, of just tapping into the largest financial market in the world, but they don't know what they don't know. Okay, so there's been a problem of why people fail. 96% of people who come into this environment fail, and people don't get to ask why. I know why, and I'm sharing it every single day. Now, sometimes you can't control yourself off the programming you already are, but you just need to know, because knowledge changes or shift things. So people fail because they don't have access to equity. Because why? The reason they're going to fail is because they're going to become indisciplined, which is the second problem. A lot of people just get indisciplined in this market because of what it is they don't have. They don't have the asset the market needs, which is money. Okay, this market was designed for the rich, for the wealthy, those who make money, not earn money. All right. And I'm going to I take up my time to reiterate or hammer on this truth that a lot of people want to ignore. The Forex market was designed to take money from those who've earned it and give it to those who make it. You want to write that down, okay? The market was designed for those. If you're not making money, if you don't make money in your life and you put your money in Forex market, it means you earned it. It's misplaced. Market will take it away from you. That's what the market was designed for. Why did they allow you to come and trade? Okay, the banks always like to take money from those who earn it. See, that's a principle I share with you guys right now. This just came. This is a flag that just came. How? What? The banks are the major players in the financial market. Let's look at the banks. What is this? The primary setup of the bank. To take money. that you don't know how to use. You guys agree with me? Put yes on the chat if you agree with me. If you don't know how to use money, they tell you where to keep it. And you start taking that money gradually. You guys agree with me? So these same players are the forerunners of the financial market, which means those, and guess what? Those who have money, do they have money in the bank? Those who make money, do you really think they keep money in the bank? You guys agree with me? I want to know if you, let's talk about business right now. Those who make money, do they have money in the bank? The real big people don't have money in banks. They use the bank to make money. They have money in properties, real estate, stocks. They don't have money in the bank because why? They make money. They know how to use money. The bank set up systems for those who don't know how to use money. And those who earn money don't know how to use money. Are you guys getting a picture of what this market is about? Because sometimes we just come into the financial market just to want to come and learn how to chat or trade. No, you want to understand the market. What was it designed? Who am I fighting against? Who's my front? You're taking a trade, not even a knife, not even a dagger, not even a spear. And you're going to fight a dragon that has an armor. Come on. What chance do you have? And you say, I have faith. Faith will run away from you. Trust me. So that's what has been happening in this. I try to make it fun for a lot of people, but I'm telling you the truth. The market was designed to take money from you. How do you know this, Kendrick? There are individuals, so big they are, they know every move you take in the market. So when you buy, they know. When you sell, they know. And they make a decision, who are we going to give it to? All right? A lot of people don't know this. But I tell you today. So if you think you just want to come into this market with the need or desire, this is going to lead us to our first activity of the day. I just decided to share this with maybe people. I was prompted to share this. So when you come into this market, we created a system where you can leverage and have this powerful tool, which is called equity, capital, money. Put money on the chart. Okay. Our goal is to give every trader within their first year in business leverage over money. All right. Put money on the chart. Make that your priority. Don't make skill your priority. Make money your priority. Okay. Now, a lot of people go through the right. I want to learn the skill and make money. You don't learn the skill to make money. Okay. You learn the skill to earn money. You have to have money to make money. So make priority making money. Are you guys with me? Put 7 on the chat if you got it. So what we do in Pearl Heart Nation is we prioritize our service to helping students get access to money. It's tough, but that's the best thing to do. If you don't have it, you get it. All right? Get it. So the same energy you're using to get a skill, we're using that same energy to get money by leveraging over an already set up system. Okay? So there are individuals, smart money individuals that know they have money, but they know people who they don't really have the time to trade it. So they set up an investment system, set up a brokerage system, an institution where those of you in this environment that don't have capital can leverage over the capital they provide, but they just need what? Your skill set. So you are a worker in the environment. They want you to work for them by giving them the knowledge of the skill set you grabbed over the years. Okay. But the powerful thing we've done is you really don't even have to have the skill set to leverage it. So we leverage the skill set for you to get access to equity by just simply obeying and following instructions. Okay. So if you are here today, all right, if you go into our history, get back to the person who put you on, watch our introduction video. One of the simple things we do is we help you get access to tens of thousands of equity within your first year, so you can now learn to make money with this equity. Because when there is money, you would make money, but if there's no money, you would learn the skill. That's what a lot of people are doing, learning the skill. But when you have money, you invest it. There's a different thing you're going to learn when you have money. So I'm not going to break down my goal here on this course is not to break down the services of Pearl Heart Nation. We're here to trade, but I just decided to give you that knowledge. But there's a question I want to ask here today, all right, which is because I always start with the psychological mental part of trading because that is what I do. I affect the mind of people to change the direction of what concept. Do you need to make money in trading, or you have to make money in trading? Question. Let's grab our mind. Oh, let's go. Let me get the answers. Do you need to make money in trading, or you have to make money in trading? I would have asked one individually, but I just want to put it out. Okay. For those of you on just coming in on Instagram, I'm going to be off here very soon. Okay. This is just the exciting part where I share this thought. Do you need to make, how many of you need to make money in trading? Okay. Put need. If you have to make money in trading, put have. I have to. Okay. Just quickly, let's just come up quickly. Excitement is everything. All right. How you feel anything is how you feel everything. Okay. So come on, let's go. Don't be confused. Just say it as your heart leads you to, because your heart gives you the right answer as you are presently. Okay. It means if you have to make money in trading, you don't need to make money in trading. It means your needs are not going to be supplied. Okay. So come on, let's go. Drop it. If you have to make money in trading, or you need to make money in trading, just let me know. Because at the end of the day, okay, your life is a printout. Your outcomes or experiences are printout of what you created on the inside, your expectation, okay, your intentions. All right. A lot of people are operating, okay? So I decided to set that radar for a lot of people. They've been operating, I need to make money in trading. See, this is what it means when you say you need to make money in trading. You depend on trading, right? Because trading is, there's a need that if you make money in trading, it supplies your needs. You're not a business person. You're not fit for this environment. You need to make money in trading. Okay, you're not fit, because why? Your need. That's why you make the wrong decisions, because why? You need to make money. Okay, I don't need to make, I have no consciousness of need when it comes to money, because why? Money does not have an emotion. It doesn't know my need. It operates with rules. You sow, you reap. All right, you create value, it attracts it. Money moves with flow. So if you need to, it doesn't operate on need. Okay, it's like you're begging money to come to you. You have, as a business person, you set up a business and you have to be profitable in business. You don't need to be profitable in business. Because why? It's like you're operating off the principles and you're not operating by emotions. Emotions don't cut it. And you guys, when we put 100, if you understand what I just shared, which is very, it sets the radar, it cleans your antenna and put the radar right. A lot of people in the market, I need to make money today. Okay. I need to make money in this chart. So they learn so that they supply that need. No, if you're a good business person, good returns will come. All you need to do is focus on good business person. Some people are focusing on money when they ought to focus on growth. If you grow, money will follow. So you don't need money, you need growth. You can say, I need to grow. Because why? Your life depends on growth. Your life depends on principles, energy, development. These are the needs you have. Knowledge, need, that's a need, not money, not the effect. You don't need the effect, you need the seed. And you guys will put 100. So focus on your, because at the end of the day, your life is a printer. Don't forget this. Everything you experience, every decision you're going to make today in trading, in the market, in the chart, is based on the things you sent, signal, spiritually, the mental aspect. Okay, so you want to always, before I get into the chart, I'm not in, whether I become profitable this month or next month, if I don't even become profitable in the next 5 or 1 year, it doesn't affect me. Why? My need was never there. The reason my need is not there is because I knew from the beginning I didn't put my need in trading. So if I'm going to help you become successful, don't put your need on trading. Trading will express what you have, the knowledge you have, the person you are. If you grow as a person, you're going to see the effect in your trading, period. If you don't grow as a person, guess what? If you get the result of unplanned growth, you lose it eventually, I guarantee you. Okay, but if you grow as a person, even if you don't have the effect right now, it's going to come. Nothing is going to stop it. So focus on growth. I need everybody to put growth on the chart. Okay, focus on growth. Growth comes by knowledge. Okay, so we've been here, I think of this. Define why. And I found out, Cambry, what am I going to share this week to better? Is my internet good? Okay, we had a loss last week on USD/JPY. Okay, and we had 3 losses on GJ/UJ. I think twice on GJ/UJ last week. Okay, because I follow 3 patterns. I follow three analysis. GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro USD, and USD JPY. So I'm just going to, and today I want to be showing you guys emotion versus momentum. Okay, and something I'm going to be adding, because when I lose, I learn. Okay, I want to know why I lose or why I lost. Am I sharing the right screen? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, for all of you that are on Instagram right now, I'm going to be leaving you guys, because everything I'm going to be sharing is now live. It's practical live. If you're not seeing it, my face is not, I know I'm cute. I'm looking good right now. All right. And if you're seeing my face, you're getting encouraged. But that's not what this market is for. You guys, I pinned the link. Just get on the link and you can actually watch the recording. It's actually live on YouTube on Ken Remote. So let's go there. Thank you, guys. I'm just trying to be funny. Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. The analysis do play out, but there's something about it that we get caught up in our decision, which is not a bad thing. We decide to make we make our decisions based on our analysis. Now, before I get into the chart, there are a few things I just want to open up or share right now. Okay. How am I gonna? I want to find a better way to place it for a beginner who's here, because I guess there are some beginners that are on this session. So the analysis doesn't change, but the emotions change. Okay. And one of the things that I critically want to add into our trading is to practically see the individual strength of a particular currency to know momentum. So we're looking at USD JPY. JPY has been, okay, JPY has been weak for the last 3 weeks, which is not normal. Okay, so I'm going to start with GJ. Okay, so this is our analysis on GJ. We started the market from here. Okay, we needed a sell around here. So these were the areas we needed a sell. Here, here, here. The market didn't respond. All right, came in, busted, just kept going up. The market didn't drop. It responded, but it didn't really drop as it should. The highest it did was somewhere around here, but never really broke. We actually wanted this market to sell all the way here, because why? Okay, there was I changed the I was looking at a major sell here, but this market just kept going up. All right. So one of the things, you know, I needed to see, because I had to look at the market the little time I had. Okay, where's the market? Because the market has to, if it's coming from somewhere, it's going somewhere, and it's dependent on the currency. We have GBP, which is the pounds, and JPY, which is the yen. Okay, if the pounds is on momentum, that's probably what's taking it up. And as long as JPY is weak, it's no more about technical. It's not about momentum. Momentum always have a direction. Okay, so one of the things I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be picking. I don't normally do it. I feel it's somehow carrying burdens. Okay, but some major traders, they use it to trade. Okay, so I'm going to be, and because I've made a decision to take you guys into this next year of my career, okay, which is this present year I'm on right now, is to take you guys on a journey of knowledge in trading. You guys are going to be good in trading. So everything you guys would need to be equipped to as good trader, I'm going to bring it to your knowledge. And that's why I'm doing this. I don't just want you to just take trades. Okay, I want to take trades. I want you guys to take trades with me, informed about the decision of the market. Does that make sense? Put 5 on the chart. Okay, so let's take a dive back to the analysis on I want to focus on JPY, because right now, okay, what I'm looking at in GBP JPY is to buy around here. Okay, but where is it going? Okay, I want to be able to see where this market is going. So the market has broken here. So the market has a tendency of coming here. This is the next area the market is coming to. But before the market is going to get here, okay, it needs to create some momentum of buys, which means GBP JPY can come here to buy, to be able to go up, or it may even drive down here to buy, to be able to go up. Or most importantly, since this is a month, market can come here to buy, which is short form. Okay, should I break this market down from my new? I don't want to do that. Okay. So this market is, if I take all of these off, the session is going to be a little longer. But do you guys want me to really be, do you guys want me to take my time? Okay, you guys want me to take my time? Give me a go ahead on the chat. Okay, I want to be clean. All right, I want to be clean. Okay, good. Okay, so let's have some fresh start. After all, it's a new day for me. Let's have some fresh start. Okay, let's have some fresh start. So I want to, because what I want to teach you guys right now, for those of you that are smart, okay, the market always have a direction. So we see this market right now, the direction of the market in previous months. So this month, all right, this is another one. This is another one that should happen somewhere around here. Okay, the market is on a downtrend, which means there's a high here. And the monthly, okay, this is higher than this. So if we have too high and we have a low, it means the market is trending what? Down on the monthly. But over the course of, because the most important thing you have to establish on a higher time frame is trend. Okay. So, but over the course of some, I'd say weeks, the market has been steadily pushing up. All right. That is where it picks this momentum from. Okay. Which means I'm going to have an interception somewhere around, but I need to find it here. So what's the second thing that I give to you guys? All right, who can type it on the chat? So after I find the trend, what's the second thing? Fib. Okay, I find the Fib level, bring it down. All right, and what we'll see is 50% retracement is exhaustion of a momentum. I hope I'm not being too fast. Now, if you guys are new here, I'm not trying to teach you, okay, if you're new. So if you're new, these setups, I've taught how to do this setup. These are my patterns. I'm just showing you trend. Okay, then I find technical areas. One of the things I use to find technical areas is Fib levels. All right. So, and what I do is I just mark them out. The market will always react to what it has done before. Okay. Beautiful. So these are the 4 levels in the market. And one of the most important ones to me, I like to mark out is the 50%. That's purple. This is yellow. So it helps me know where the market is going. Okay, but what I want to show you guys on this call is what takes the market to where it is going. All right, this is green. I'm going to use this one as a top to bottom analysis. Then the other one, I'm just going to give you guys the trade. So if we can understand this, then USD, JPY, and Euro USD, you guys can just understand what we want to do. All right. So beautiful. So what does that mean? The market is coming to a very pivotal place already. Can you guys see this? This is a very pivotal place on the monthly. So I do know, okay, there may be a continuation on the downtrend if the market comes here. So what I do most times, I now switch to either the weekly. Okay, so you can see, all right, how the market picked momentum on 25%, all right, and it's been climbing up. And climbing up, what has it been doing? You see that the market always respects. If the market is in an uptrend, it will buy the previous ceiling of an uptrend, all right? Previous ceiling of an uptrend, buy. Okay, so after that ceiling, watch. Okay, now I'm using technical price action right now. The market will buy the previous ceiling of an uptrend. So there is a ceiling here. Market has broken that ceiling. Market has. So what am I doing? The market is going up, right? I need to follow it up. It needs when it breaks a certain area, it needs a momentum to take it back up. So what does that mean? So there's price action here that has not been completed. Okay. So if I am on the momentum on the upside, there's a projection that I could want the market to fall here for me to buy here. That is how you pick price. That's how you pick a decision in the market. So this is a buy area in the market. Okay. Now another, in the same vein, there's still another, okay, price action area here, which is previous ceiling. Our market has broken, which means it may not get all the way here because we're looking at weekly here right now. We're looking at daily. All right. This is another area market can pick, but let's look at it Kenvry. How? This is what you're explaining. Has market done this? Yes or no? Broke it, we tested it, clean. How many pips done? Okay, well over 200 pips. This is really what I'm explaining here right now. Okay, which means this price action have been done. Okay, and if it rejects, either it continues, but there is not, market cannot just continue going up here. It needs something. All right, it needs price action to go up. And one of the things that can happen is price may retain this area again. Okay, now see, did it. This is what we've been suffering for over the last couple of weeks. Market playing on us. So now we come to what? Another price action. I want you guys, because a lot of people don't pay attention to this. Okay, watch this. So if market is not going up right now, where do you see a buy? Do you guys agree with me that this is the next buy if market needs to continue going up? Okay, so this is the next short buy. A big buy is here. Okay, this is going to be a big buy for the uptrend. I'm only going to start looking for sell when the market comes here. That's when I'm going to be selling, because now I'm going to be selling for the monthly. I'm going to be selling for the weekly. But right about now, we're looking for buy. Why? Because the market is trending up. Why is it trending up? Because this is the trend. Okay, so the only time I'm going to be looking for sell is when market breaks all of these areas. Okay, dissect the trend. That's when I'm going to be looking for sell. Right now, I'm looking for buys. Do you guys agree? Do you guys understand the simplicity of this? Okay, put 5 on the chart. So what is the other variable that is making GBP just go up, and JPY is just so weak? All right, so I want to bring something to your notice, which is, so let's look at the pound index. What's it called? Or let me look. JP. I think I have it. JPY currency index. Okay, I think I should have it. Now, some people, you guys don't know about this, but this is really what's happening in the market. Can you guys see this? Put 5 if you can see this. So this is JPY. This has nothing to do with any currency. This is the index of JPY. And the same analysis play on it. What do you guys see over the last couple of weeks? What has it been doing? So you may be, because there's something I'm going to bring out on this call. What has it been doing over the last couple of weeks? It's been selling. It's been dropping. Okay? It's been dropping. Seriously. So that's why even the technical on the pair isn't working, because this market, somehow, all right, JPY index is dropping. And now what I want you guys to pay attention. So another thing, as a trader, as you begin to grow in trading, there's something you need to pay. Real traders, big traders, they don't just analyze currency pairs. They analyze the currency. So dollar has an index. JPY, every currency have their index. So if you begin to pay attention to the index of a pair, you can know. So what does that mean? Somewhere around here, okay, market can pick a momentum for a strong buy, and I think it just did. Okay, so this is a, oh cool, come on. I don't want to play, but one of the things, we are expecting a pull up, a strong pull up, okay, on JPY over the, see, it's going to be, if this activates on daily, all right, it's going to be a strong pull up on the upside. When I say strong, I mean strong. Because why? This is a very, very strong pivotal area in the market. Okay, the market will buy from a floor and sell at the ceiling. Is this a floor? Do you guys agree with me that this is a floor? Okay, so the market hit a floor and it's going back up. What does that mean? Okay, what's going to stop the market from not getting here? So the next time the market will get here, the market will get here. This is where I see the market going. If market gets here, or pulls up here, what do you think is going to happen to JPY? Either GJ or EU, USD JPY. What's going to happen? This JPY right now, JPY gains strength. What's going to happen to JPY? So it's been trying. So what am I really looking at? Another way I can trade is I can now begin to analyze the index. This is what I'm going to be adding with you guys right now. I'm going to be, when we're trading a pair, because of the type of risk to reward we want to be going for, we're going to be looking out for, all right? The same thing we do. So market is going to have, I just need market to do something for me here, okay? The market will always say the previous floor of a downtrend. I see this market. This is the only obstacle I have for JPY. This is the only obstacle. If market comes here, okay, if it can break this area, boom, it will definitely get. When it comes to index, it moves a certain way. I just need market to break here, because if market doesn't break here, we're going to see continuous sales on what? JPY. So this is really why we've been suffering, okay, on JPY. And you may just think now it's going to sell, okay? Now it's going to sell. Oh, so we're looking at the trade on USD JPY, okay? So JPY is gaining strength. So this is the strength is gaining, okay? I want you guys to pay attention. It's gaining strength. It means if JPY gains strength, USD JPY will be selling. Are you guys with me? Watch the combination right now. I'm presently looking at USD JPY. I'm going to switch a little bit for a buy. Okay. So, yeah, this is a buy market. One of the reasons I wanted to slow, I didn't want you guys jumping on the market. I wanted to be able to see how the 4-hour closed. The 4-hour closed well. Okay. The 4-hour closed well. Okay. And the 1 hour. So presently right now, if this 1 hour closes, okay, it's going to be a good trade. It means if market comes back here, it's going to be a good trade for a buy. But one thing you guys, why I wanted you guys to watch this, all right, was this. If JPY is gaining strength, this will fall. If JPY is losing strength, this will buy. So all I need to do is be able to track JPY. So this is JPY right now. It was gaining strength. That is why JPY sold to where it tracked us right now. Trapped. Now it is selling right now. That is why you're seeing USD JPY buy. Okay. If this market starts dropping, if it continue dropping, okay, between here and here is going to be what? The contemplation between here and here. It's not a far move. But if this market comes here, all right, and stops out, if this market comes here and stops out, it doesn't, and it starts dropping, guess what's going to happen? For this market to come here, look at what's going to happen to our price. What's going to happen to USD JPY? If this market makes a decision to reject and come here right now, if USD JPY if the index was here, okay, and it's rejecting, that's a good place for me to, because why? This is a probability, a strong probability that is going to reject this area. And if I find this rejection, the same place I found this, my USD JPY, it's going to be very good, a mutual agreement to pick for a buy, because why? That small rejection is going to take price here. But now I see JPY index, all right, could keep going up. Okay. If the index was here, ladies and gentlemen, watch. If this index was here for me to buy, okay, if it was here, it means JPY is going to buy. And if JPY buy, that's going to drop. So when the index is at its floor, okay, I don't buy. I need you guys to now watch this right now. Listen, when the index is at its floor, it means it will buy. Okay, I won't be buying USD JPY. I'll be looking at selling anything that is pairing JPY. Are you guys getting it? when it's at its floor. When it's at its ceiling, which is almost close right now. Okay. So this is a previous floor, which is price action. This is actually a ceiling area. Okay, this is a previous floor. I don't know if this guy want to take this. Another thing that is going to happen right now, if this is responding to this right now, then it's probably responding to our trap. So between here and here, come on. Okay, so this is at the ceiling, which means we can buy USD JPY. Are you guys seeing the correlation? Okay, because this is a rejection right now. If this rejection closes on a sell, what's going to happen? Okay, it means that price trap, break, retest, close, confirmation, signal. What's going to happen? Sell. If this is selling, it means the other one is going to be what? Buying. Good confirmation. So between here and here is your TP. All right, English or German. I want to know if you guys are following. All right. And this is a little bit tough. It's a little bit tough. And I'm gonna be taking the next couple of weeks to really break it down, match it up. But I just want you guys to have the idea. Because sometimes we buy at the market at, one of the things I learned from one of the mentors in trading is don't buy the market at a C, at the middle of the C. Okay, buy it where your legs at the shop. Okay, where your legs can run. So this market right now, between this area is still sea level. But if the market is here, it's probably not a good area right now. But one of the things I've told you, on the monthly, I need you guys to watch, on the monthly, what has happened to the momentum of JPY? It has picked a buy mode. So on the monthly, JPY is going up. So if you're just trying to enter the market with, so I ought to, presently right now, from what I've showed you guys, because over the last couple of weeks, I've been looking for JPY to gain strength. It has not gained strength, but all of a sudden I saw it right now. The index has finally picked up on the monthly. It means, okay, every of my trade against JPY right now is just intraday. It's very short. It's not long term. Because why? All I need to confirm, okay, if JPY even decide not to, it will come here again, bounce off. Okay, the only thing I need to start selling, or JPY will keep selling if it breaks this area, all right, which I don't see happening because it will be dead. Okay, but between here and here, this is not a good move for my type of trading. This place, even this place to this place, but this is a good move for my type of trading. Because why? This is following the monthly, this is following the weekly. Wouldn't you rather follow the weekly and the monthly than to go against for a day? Are you guys with me? Where would you rather stay? Would you rather follow the direction of where the weekly sentiment, technical sentiment is going, or you rather follow what today's emotion is showing you? So that's how you make your deep decisions in the market. So there may be a good trade around us right now. But if we begin to watch, because these are really why we see ourselves caught up in the market. Because at the end, I'm not just trying to win, I'm trying to understand the market. Okay, we get caught up. We got caught up last 2 weeks. We got caught up last week. And I don't just swallow those caught up. I want to understand why. And that's why I'm showing you this. So even when we make a decision to take the trade, we know what is against us. Do we understand? It's not because I cannot take the trade, but I want you guys to understand that if we're taking the trade, we have the variables on the table. So we do not need to make money. We're taking the trade based on the knowledge and decision we're making in the market. Does that make sense? Are you guys getting it now? When you know your risk, you take the risk and you expect anything. But if you don't know the risk, you begin to expect what you don't know. So I have a better trade to follow this weekly upward, because this is a major move on the upside. Now calculate what's going to happen over the course of this market coming up here. It's going to be a major move. If I have to put these parameters, okay, because it will happen. Okay, this is crazy. It will happen. This is major move. Watch. Okay, how many blocks do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. Now I want to take the same block, put it on USD JPY. Okay. Count the blocks. So if it means if this decides to go down on those blocks, because that's what's going to happen right now. Okay. I want you guys to watch. This market, brim, came back here. This is the same ceiling as here. If this closes on this weekly, we're going to be dropping. How many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Market is going to be dropping around here. How many pips is going to be that? That's how you find better risk to reward, about 1,000 plus pips. That's how you find better risk to reward. Wouldn't you like to go for this kind of risk to reward? Put your minor risk, okay, to go for this kind of risk to reward. Okay. This is one of the things I want to start showing you guys in the market, okay? So that I'll start taking our trades or looking at our analysis. We want to see those things, those variables that we don't see, okay, that are very, very important in the market. Was I able to show you guys something? Okay, there's going to be news. There's going to be news. And most times, okay, another thing I'm going to add to this, most times the news propels the market to the direction it needs to go. Okay, so USD 3 p.m. USD. Okay, in the next, that's 11 minutes. How many minutes? Yeah. Or 20 minutes. No. 11 minutes. It's going to be news, all right, on this market. So sometimes you just see big candles. It's been ready. It's been suppressed. Eventually, it's going to release, all right? So for me, I'm not the person who reads news, but I do know one thing, okay? If this market doesn't sell here, it's going to sell here. So, and this market has been on 1, 2, 3, momentum up. It's going to exhaust. It needs to exhaust at least. So I don't know the direction of the news, but I do know, okay, where the market needs to come up to. So USD JPY, that's not my, okay, that's my read USD JPY. Just trying to buy here, it's not a bad bargain, okay? It's not a bad bargain to buy here. But I just wanted to show you guys that analysis. So if I'm buying here, put my stop loss around here, okay, it's a good trade. If this hourly close right now, and the market is still here, or it comes back here, I'm going to pick a buy for this market. And the reason I'm going to pick a buy, I'm not going to give it too much stop loss. The stop loss is going to probably be here. Okay. Why? Because I already see that this market has a tendency of going down. But even if it has to give me between here and here, I just want to take a short TP here. Not because I want the market to go up. The market is not going up. Market ought to be coming down. You see this move? Hey, you see this move? This is a straight long move. Okay, you add Fibonacci to it right now. I need to even take this up. The market has been on a straight momentum on the upside. If you put Fibonacci on this between here and here, okay, you should be looking for exhaustion. Market needs to come here. Why? This is a major ceiling and a major area. So market needs to tire out down here before we start seeing some major buys. All right, that's what I'm looking for. I'd rather buy a market here because that's momentum exhausted on my end, and that's because the market is still on an uptrend. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. But at the end of the day, I do know that the market is going to do more than that. If the market doesn't buy here, it's going to buy here. These are the buy points. In previous regions the market has bought before, it's what's going to repeat. So anything I'm trying to do here right now is just shallow. Okay, it's not a bad trade, but it's a shallow trade. Are you guys with me? You guys understand? No, it's not a bad trade, okay, but it's just a shallow trade. In the midst of the depth of the market, this is shallow. It's like you want to kill a whale, okay, at the tip of what? All right. So that's something I'm going to be doing because of the type of trading we're going to be taking. Yeah, I'm going to be armoring myself with some other variables. I'm going to be showing on unleashing some of these things to you. I do know, okay, if the market comes here big, but it's not going to take time. It's not going to be soon. The market is going to come here. So what should I be looking at for on the major run since the market is pointing down? Okay, I'm very honest to tell you guys that a better way to approach this market, since I'm looking at JPY gaining strength, okay, since I picked a side on JPY, this is what I'm going to be looking at for. All right. I'm going to be sensibly. So this is a floor, this is a ceiling, somewhere around here, okay? So this is a floor, this is a ceiling, that's price action. If market comes here, I should be looking out for a sell. means I am going in the direction of the week. Are you guys with me now? If I take this move, it means I'm going in the direction of where the week is going. I'm not just taking today's trade. I want to follow the week. And the best way to follow the week is to align with this ceiling and this floor. So the market has a floor here. All right. Max, it might want to push up to this level, which I don't see because there's a ceiling here and this ceiling also got here. So this market wicked here. All right. So somewhere around here, definitely it's either it retests this area or it retests this area. We're going to get a sell. If that happens, 4 hour opens a new 4 hour or in 1 hour, you sell this market, you're going to have a major sell direction. Because why? If that sell activates, where you're going to be taking your bus stop is somewhere around here. The first TP is going to be here. So this is my first projection on GJ. So you can see I flip side right now. Why did I flip side? Because of knowledge. Okay. So this is where I'm going to be looking at for the sell continuation on USD JPY. So what does that mean? I acknowledge that this market can buy. Okay. But let it come to an area that I know there's going to be a sell and it's going to be a sell. And I'm going to take it towards the direction of the big moves. Do you guys now understand this? That I put 7 on the chart if you understand how I analyze and pick a position in the market based on trend. Okay. You guys got it right now. Major move. And this same analysis could be used for any pair. Okay. Could be used for any pair. A couple of weeks ago, I told you what EU was going to do. All right. So this is the only thing I'm going to give you guys on USD JPY. So I'm looking for this week or the coming week, I'm going to be looking for sells on this market, unless the news shows me a different direction or pushes this market. If it pushes the market back here, okay, I'm not going to now show you, okay, where next is this market going? Because at the end of the day, it's going somewhere. And I've seen that before. I think we've done it before. Let's see. And come on. Anything this market is doing right now, ladies and gentlemen. So this area is this area. Okay, so let's see. All right, let me do something quickly. So let me pick this high, bring it down to this low, somewhere around here, previous private action, somewhere around here. It's gonna be where market is coming on a major. If not there, yeah, if market breaks all of this, could touch on this, it's gonna come here. But that's not gonna happen anytime soon. But that is noted. Another thing I'm going to do right now is if it doesn't respond here, then we're looking here. Okay. As 75%. So either way, market has to come to. If it doesn't sell here right now, which it should, I think it should. Okay, then we're going to be selling here. All right, we're going to be selling. That's another place the market can sell. And when I say sell, it means JPY gain strength, because I believe within this area also, we're still going to be under the buy. Okay, but let's not, that's too far away. Let's focus on what the market is doing right now. The market is presently trying to sell right now. So let's just focus on this. Does this make sense? If you have any question, don't forget to shoot. All right. At the end of the class, I probably may take 1 or 2 questions in regards to this. So I'm giving you the analysis, but what we do is that we'll now play within the days in the week, we play on this analysis, different areas, we send the areas, all right, that we're going to get in on the market based on. So if you're new, you don't have to focus on you knowing how to do this thing on your own. We give you the trades right away when they're ready. Okay. What I'm just doing right now is I'm showing you how I pick my trades. So this is UJ. You guys can copy this link. I'm going to put it on the chat. Copy it and save it. I'm going to put it on chat right now so you can follow. News is coming. I'm going to see how the news is going to take this to us. Is it that it brings it to us or it takes it away? So for those of you, another thing you can do is, for those of you who like to take trades, because of the previous analysis that retest, you feel like you want to do a quick one This market will go up. All right. I don't trade news, but this market, what this has shown is it will come up here. So Cambridge, some people will be asking, can I just buy it up here? That's a lot of money. Okay. If you feel like you can get in on the market for a buy right now, that's about 20 or 30 something piece. If you feel that's good enough for you can get in. Okay. And stop loss should be around here. 30 for 30. You can do that. Okay. That's not how I trade, but if you want to do that, you can. Okay. I rather want market to come here and I take my trade and I know I'm settled. I trade my analysis, not my emotions. All right. So yeah, so this was the retest that I showed you guys, and the hourly has, so the signal has happened here. So if you buy this market here, you're already in a good trade. Okay. But there's something better than good, which is called better. Okay, so that's what I'm just trying to show you guys here. So this is USD JPY analysis. So you guys can copy this and also going to drop it in the chat. Something I'm going to share with you guys at the end of this call. Very important for those of you who are not yet at the level I'm teaching right now. You want to wait for that. Good. I think I like this analysis. I like this analysis right now. Okay. So this shows me something. I want to show you. It shows me something. If this continue to drop here, okay, I'm going to have this come here. Can you see how it's moving? So between here and here, there's a relationship. Between this gap and this gap, there's a relationship with this. So this market become somewhere around this area, probably pick this floor, then we're going to have a move. At the end of the day, market still moves in formation. So here, it's going to be a 50% retracement around this area. So I kind of see that either the news is going to do it. If the news does it, fine. If it doesn't, we'll watch out. Okay. Let's watch out. So this is USD JPY. How many minutes do we have? Okay, it's now o'clock. We're already on the clock. So the news should be happening already. So let's watch out for a retest. So Cambridge, what is a retest? How many of you understand the concept of a retest? Put 5 on the chat. So for those of you that are on this call, okay, because you won't be with me when I'm calling the trade or we're telling our members to get in. Some of you are not in our community. You're not getting our trade. But if you love this, after this session, you can join the community. When we give our trade, you can get it. We call all our trades different times of the day when it's ready. So how many of you understand the concept of a retest? Put retest in the chat. If you don't, say I don't. Yeah, the news is happening right now. Good. All right, so this is the concept of a retest. A retest is a confirmation of an area, okay? So there are buyers and sellers in the market. So every zone represents traders. So presently right now, this is a zone. Both areas are zone. So this is a floor. This is a ceiling. This is a ceiling. Now, this market broke this floor. This is a floor. This is a floor. And you can see that that's why we have 2 areas. So if market breaks a certain area and it comes back to that area and holds the area, it means that present hour candle doesn't close above or below that area. That's called a retest. What does it really mean in trading? Switch or button. It means the price action in that area, or the traders in that area, or the people guarding that area held back, took price. They held it. And that's a good show of what? Change of pattern. So if this present momentum holds here or holds here, it has retested that area. And what you just need for the next confirmation is a signal. What is the signal? If price breaks retest, a new candle opens as a red, because this is red, blue. This is the buy, this is the sell. If a new candle opens and it sells and closes below the area, that's a strong confirmation of a continuation. It means price is going to continue on the downside. That's what you're looking for. It's fighting it right now. It means there are some bodies there rejecting it. It's fighting it right now. Okay. Break retest, but it may pull. So, and guess what? That's what we call price validation or invalidation. Okay. You don't know what price is going to do, but let the candle show you what price has done. If price just breaks this area right now and it doesn't close below, it means price is going on the upside. It means it's probably coming to the next area, which we talked about. It means it's not ready. It's not buying those ideas. It's not passing the baton. It means that's not your trade. That's price invalidation. Does that make sense? It's a simple concept. Okay. All you just need to do is wait for it. Okay. So you guys have the next couple of minutes, probably 54 minutes to wait if this price is going to retest. Now, another way to get in is a 15 minutes. After it retests on the hour, you can just log in either on the 15 minutes. If you are very impatient, can get in on a 15-minute close. If you see a 15-minute signal, close, boom, you can get in. But I love to tell people, wait on your trades, you get the best from it. Does that make sense? Did I just explain the concept of a retest with you guys? Okay, so this is the break of the floor structure. It's presently trying to retest it, but I don't know if it's going to hold the retest for the next 54 minutes. All right, but if it does, fine for me. If it doesn't, I'm going to just look out for another analysis. Okay. You guys got it. Put I got it on the chat if you got it. And sometimes price may run away from you. That's true. If you run away, just hit and go. And if you close, give a signal, but the signal is going to be so far away, you wouldn't want to dare take the trade. Because why? The signal is almost at TP level. So it's like, wow. Some of you will be like, why didn't I get in on the trade? I should have just entered. It means you're trading off emotions. Let the market show you. Sit at your bus stop, read your books. Let the boss come, open the door. You stroll and you walk in. If the boss tries to go stop in the front, you make a decision. Do you want to run and follow the boss in the front? Or you want to wait for the boss to come, another boss to come and pick you? It's just a decision away. All right. So this is a very good trade you guys are going to watch within the next couple of minutes. All right. We see that GBP, JPY. All right. This is where I'm going to be. So I'm seeing JPY gain strength. So all I need to do is watch this market. This is my buy area. I don't have any sentiment on GBP, JPY. I already gave it to you guys. Okay. So the same thing I'm seeing. JPY gain strength. Boom. Okay. At least. This is a big move. It's not just going to gain strength. I keep gaining strength. I just keep. No, this is a big area for the market to buy. Because why? I'm still buying GBP, JPY. That's not broken. So this is what I'm going to buy. And probably take 100 pips out of this market. All right. So I don't have anything here right now. This is where I'm going to buy. You guys watch out for this analysis. I sent it already, right? This is what I'm going to buy, or the major buy is going to happen from here. This is going to be the major buy. So I'm also going to send this. If you have, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys the concept. The trades are not going to be hard to find anymore. Then EU. So this is my currency off. So this, like I told you guys, this is where I want to see USD get to. So this has been our chart over the last couple of weeks. This market has fallen down since I sold. I told you guys this was a sell area. I sold all the way and it's coming here. Actually, the market is coming here. Okay, but for it to get here, it needs momentum. All right, it needs momentum. Now, a couple of things that can happen in this market is, so if I'm seeing this right now, let me take it to this. So this market has actually made a very steep dive on the downside. Okay, you know what? I'm in a new fresh. If I don't want to do top to bottom, one of the things I just do, this is good enough for me to see high, low, all right? Or I take it like this. So this is 50% off this move. Market has broken 50%. That's So this is another area price can come to for our sell. Major sell of a continuation of this to bring price all the way down here, or bring price all the way down here. Market can come retest here. So this is one big retest that can happen. Okay, bring price on the downside. Or for shorter moves, okay, here, price can come back to this area. So I may not pick this area, I may pick this area, which is a flop. Okay, I'd like this area. So if price comes to this area, I won't be shy to get in on this market for a sell if market comes here. So either way, I have two areas. If I want to pick the big move, this 50%, the market has broken a 50%. If it comes here, I see a 4-hour rejection and a new 1-hour signal. That's a good thing for me to drop this market down. Or you are the one who wants to take trades every day. You need to trade every day. Okay. Chances that the market is going to come here and closes 1 hour or 4 hour. All right. Open on 1 hour signal, boom, and it's going to drop down. Does that make sense? So we just watch. So these are two things I'm going to watch out in EU. EU is a very, either way, these two trades are going to be good. These two trades will be good. Because why? EU don't move, Euro and USD together don't move. They don't move the mile. They're very, very slow movers, I'd say. So has it been a wonderful class? You plan. Trading is about planning. What we've done on this session is plan the market. And we'll wait for the market to come to us. A lot of people trade without planning, or what they do is they plan trade. So this is what some people do in the market. They wake up, they get into the market, they analyze, they trade. That's plan trading. You don't know. Be very profitable if you master documentation. Time to plan ahead, okay, and see where the market is going in different dimensions. They're always safe in the market. And that's really what I'm trying to establish with traders. Okay. I'm not trying to put you in a safety net, but I just want to have you, I want to bring you to a place where you trade safely. And I believe we're going to get that done because it's already done. Just will achieve it with you guys. If you got value for the session, put value. It's the building block every day. It doesn't make sense in one session, but one of the things you just know is was there something that resonated with me on this session? Was there any knowledge I gained from this session? And you keep adding this knowledge together, it's going to make sense. But it's not going to make sense if you just keep adding the knowledge. It's going to make more sense when you start implementing the knowledge. So I've given you guys, some of you don't trade GBP, JPY, you don't trade USD, JPY, but you like AUD, JPY, or you like Euro AUD. But it's the same analysis technically that I used for even the indices, even Bitcoin, even Meta, other metals, gold. The same analysis I've used is the same that works. Okay, because it's called what? Trading analysis. Because it's not currency analysis. So you stay in an environment, it's going to be very, very powerful. What I do is that I teach the knowledge that's going to help you retain the money when you start making it. Because I'm convinced you're going to make the money. But a lot of people have lost money in this journey. Making money has never been the problem. It's the losing of it that is the major problem. People make it, they lose it. Because why? They never planned on retaining it. So my goal is going forward to your future and showing you something today on what can help you. Because you're going to, as long as you stay consistent, you're eventually going to make the money. But staying consistent will not help you retain the money except you start learning how to retain. And that's what I'm doing right now as a trader with individuals. Help you retain, because the skill will retain the earning so that you can now invest in the market. As an investor trader, you would invest. You'll not be a victim of the day trader or the workers in the market. You start investing. And it takes skill to invest. It doesn't take intuition or just copy paste to invest. I can give you trades right now. You're copying and pasting. That's not investing. Okay, because why? If I take myself off the equation, you are nothing gain. But if I am showing you how I'm doing it, if I am not there, you can do it. That you can invest in. Does that make sense? How many of you like that? Some of you just stay in an environment where you get value for earning. It is good because you need it now. But there's going to come a time you're not going to need it now. Okay? You're going to demand. Because why? It's going to demand of you that you need a certain level of knowledge. Don't take valuable time, your day. Say, make haste while there is day. Your day, don't waste it on your comfort zone. Think of the future. If I start having $100,000 right now, am I still going to be doing copy and paste to retain $100,000? Ask yourself this question, because you're going to have $100,000. You're going to make $1 million. There are some of you, you've never earned $10, but today you're making 100, you're making $1,000. You're going to get to $10,000. The frustration is not the making of the money, it's making it and losing it. That's the biggest. How many of you are there with me? You've been there. Maybe some of you are not there right now, but that's the biggest frustration. You make it, you lose it. A trader that has never made money is not angry that it's not making money. It's the one that loses money that is angry, that is frustrated. How many of you are there with me? You can agree with me. Unless you're not picking the truth. You lost. It's not the person who don't have money to invest that is angry or painful or frustrated. It's the one that has invested and lost it. Put 100 if you're with me. I'm a different being. I've been somewhere, and I know that's what God is trying to do here right now. Some of you, the problem for me, the challenge is not that you're not going to make money. You will. Even if you don't see it right now, I guarantee you will, unless you quit. Some of you are going to get $1 million. Some of you get 100. Some of you get to 10. Some of you get to 1,000. Okay? But if you do not start to learn how not to depend on Kendry or any educator or any system, I don't need you to need me. All right? I'm not here because I want to be a mentor that you depend on. No, I failed. If in the next 3 to 6 months, see, all my students, I'm telling you, if in 3 to 6 months you still depend on my trade, you're not listening to me. I'm not your mentor. Because even the person outside this community right now I am teaching, is this a paid session? Is this a paid session? Am I holding back any value? The only difference between the children in my nation and the children outside here right now, what's the difference? Who can tell me the difference? I'm not playing low. Okay? Who can tell me the difference? I need you guys to play it. Like, go up here and take it. Some of you might not see the difference. But there's a difference actually. I like to tell people the skill is not my priority. You can go to YouTube, you can join community, you get a skill. The skill is everywhere. In fact, you get confused by just trying to pick the skill. It's a mentorship, accountability. That's one of the difference. You cannot pick me as an accountability partner, right? I don't owe you accountability. But every student in my environment, I owe them accountability. They could call me a mentor, they could reach out to me and tell me this is my decision, this is what I've been able to do, this is what I've documented. I am in the process of growth. The environment is the difference. It's not the skill. I'm teaching same way I'm going to teach a technical session, okay? And the only thing is the hand-holding, okay? The hand-holding, it means we feed you. I'm responsible for you in my environment. I feed you. I tell you what to do. I guide you. But when it comes to the skill, I don't hold anything back here. I've helped traders become successful. Before I even came into the environment of helping people get access to funded accounts, I've gotten traders who use my Friday analysis to trade, and they've mastered trading. Because I know it's not the skill that makes the difference. So if you've been here and you're thinking, I just need to learn the skill, come on, I'm feeding you the skill right now. That's not what makes the difference. All right? Community. Because why? You are a process and a proceed from an environment. I created an environment so people can plant seeds on. So if you want to become a seed, sow it in my environment, you're going to get my result. Because why? I am the vine, and I am a very fruitful vine. But if I am stretching out fruit and you're taking my fruit, you're not in my environment, you're just plucking my fruit. This is one of the fruit I'm giving out right now. Feeding, because a tree have to feed its environment. That's what I'm doing right now. But if you want to become part of my branch, part of my seed, let's sow and feed other people, you're welcome to join us in Power Out Nation, because what we're going to be doing is you're going to be eating while you are sowing. Why? We give bread to the eater and we give seed to the sower here in our environment. Every trade we need to take right now, we take it together. So I say, if I say, oh, this trade is ready, okay, I drop it in our Power Out Nation trade ideas, and everybody gets in copy and paste. Okay, that was sent by a mentor. Okay, and you take the trade knowing that you are in the environment, but there's no way you're going to know we call it trade if you're not in the environment. True or true? So choose your environment, an environment that you can learn the skill and you can what? Leverage over the skill. We'll tell you what to do, what account to get, how to get the account, what platform to download, when to get in, what risk to use. Okay. When you're going negative, guide you on how to mitigate your risk, when to say yes, when to say no to trades. Everything we do that. But I don't do that here. I'll just give you the skill. So that's the important thing about our environment. Will take you somewhere you can never take yourself to. Okay, so getting started in our environment, get back to the person who placed you on, is just a commitment for 3 months. We need your first 3 months to say yes to this challenge of becoming a 6-figure trader within the next 24 months. Because why? You need a year to get the foundation, and you need another year to own 100. All right. You need to get 100,000. You need a year to plan for it. We want to use our first year to plan with you. Do this with you. Make a decision. A commitment of $350 set you into our platform. Let's run. Now, there are other people, part of the services we are doing. This is our first year. And I told you in the month, over the course of the month of May, I'm bringing out some products that's going to shift how we run things. Okay. And I'll be giving in-depth details, but I've actually announced it before. Okay. So one of the things we're launching in Power Out Nation is called an automation in trading. So personally, we're going to be, I think next week, officially, okay, we're going to be kickstarting our automation on, I want to make money while I sleep. How many of you like to do that? Okay, I want to ask this question. How many of you want me to trade for you? You put your money, I trade it for you. How many of you like that? I make money, you make money. I lose money. How many want me to trade your account for you? Wow, these people love money. I know you guys have been waiting for that. It's been a decision I've been trying to, manage, because I have a vision. I don't want anything. I don't want any money standing in the way of making money. Or I don't want people need come in the way of the need of God. Okay, so I've been able to look at the product clear eye, and God said, let's go. Okay, and one of the things we're going to be doing for those of you that are investors, all right, or you want to be investors, you have some lose money in the bank. There are two sides to this. So some of you really want to engage in learning. You don't want to be distracted, but you also need to make money. We've added another feature of making money in line with getting access to a funded account. Some of you are already making money on that, right? So in line with that, we added our automation where you can fund our broker. Okay, you don't give the money to Cambridge to trade for you, but you connect the money to my trading system. That if I'm trading, I'm making money, you're making money. If I'm losing money, you're losing money. It's called a copy trading automation. All you need to do is fund as low as $300 in your broker. You can make withdrawals anytime. You can add to it. You can take away from it. All right. Just fund your broker. And the goal is to help our students do between, 10. See, I don't love to. I do more, but I tell you less. Okay. But if you have your money and every month you're doing 10%, would you like that? Do you guys like that? All right. Put 50 on the chat if you like that. I can see the smiles in your faces. Okay. So I know you'd like this product. And I'm going to be discussing with some of you that wants to see another side of money, because some things have been unraveled. And I'm feeling reckless because of some things I've discovered. A few of the leaders have seen what I've shown them, the projection of what they can make from this project already. And guess what? The people who make money have more than those who earn money. See, somehow, some of you can come with $10,000. You're not going to 10% of $10,000 is $1,000. That's good money, okay? But someone who doesn't have $10,000 and practice the principle of making money would earn $10,000 in a month if they understand what I'm about to do in the next 6 months. I taught recently on supply, and God gave me what to, what's the right word? I'm trying to look for the right word. Everything God has given me wisdom to teach, He's also giving me the vehicle to furnish the teaching. Okay, so some of you, I teach you on how to make money. I have a vehicle of making money, which is Forex trading. So now we have the mental side of success, planting seeds, growth. I've taught you, some of you, on how to set and structure a business, not even in Forex environment. Because why? I have the wisdom. It applies in anything, real estate, everything, the wisdom. But right now, this wisdom of supply is going to apply in our market. And God has given me something to get some of you, all right? Because over the next 6 months to 1 year, between May now and May next year, we're going to document, all right, over 100. I'm not talking trading right now. People are going to make money, become business owners, all right, over 100 six-figure income earners, all right, within the space, through just this product I just talked to you about. Okay. And this evening, I'm going to be communicating within the group. Okay. I'm going to be having a meeting to share some of this detail for the suppliers. All right. This is a season of supply. The rich supply, the poor demand. You just have to know your money class. The moment you understand your money class and you want to feed yourself with what it is to supply, guess what? All right. You're going to be having you're going to be staying in the same room of communication with me. I'm looking for those of you who want to supply, and I want to help you guys supply. Okay. $350 is for 3 months. All right. All right, good. It's for 3 months. So you guys get connected, stay connected, follow instruction. That is the first key to success in the environment of entrepreneurship. I believe you guys have gotten value. More details will be shared on the product I just shared. I just wanted you guys to have a glimpse for those of you who are new. Okay. Stay in the environment. You're going to get more of the details you need. The most important detail you need right now is getting started. This is what a lot of people do. And I'll end with this. You do not make a good business decision if you're trying to understand first. Did you guys hear me? You do not make a good business decision if you're trying to understand first. You make a good business decision if you try to experience first. Because experience will lead to understanding. And understanding, when practiced on, will lead to mastery. Don't try to understand what you've not experienced. So the first risk, there's always a risk to take. Take a risk to experience what your success looks like. Don't try to understand what you've not experienced. God bless each and every one of you. I see you guys at the top, not from the top, because you know what to say. The bottom is way too crowded. Don't forget, all right, to follow me, tag, share what it is you like on I Am Kendry on Instagram. Give you more value. The more you tell me I give you value, the more I'm always wanting to give you more value. And if you're here, okay, I do not communicate in any other social media. I don't communicate on Twitter. I don't communicate on Telegram. I don't communicate on, I have these channels, but I don't communicate. A lot of people have lost money just because after the call like this, there are some bypass. They start connecting with you. They say, oh, yeah, start offering you things. I don't do that. If you want to communicate with me, message me on I Am Kendry on Instagram. I am going to communicate with you. And if you're unsure, you can request a video call with me. All right. That's if you are sure, if you want to be sure. But I Am Kendry. Someone can type it on the chat. I Am Kendry is my Instagram handle, or you're talking to pewat.nation on Telegram. Those are the two handles you can reach out to me and you get a communication. All right. So don't be a victim of the scam on Twitter, on Telegram, on any other social, on even Instagram. Only I Am Kendry. Does that make sense? That's it. Thank you, Mary. All right. That's the only way you can communicate with me. Don't communicate with me, all right, on any other social media. And if someone brought you on this call, just just first, go thank them. I think I love this community. I think I love the message that I got. I want to be in this environment where I can learn the skill from someone who's truly genuine and has integrity or truth. All right, I'm going to take my time. I'm willing to learn the skill. I'm willing to follow instruction. You're my candidate. All right, let's run. Okay, get back to them. They'll start you off. Same process of starting. Okay, just